Jolene from Ride the Wind e-bikes. Hopefully I'm not blowing your ears off this time with my mic, but you can hear me. So I wanted to do a video comparing a Taubik Peak versus the new Taubik Alps. I talk a lot about the components of bicycles. These are a perfect example of two mid-suspension electric bicycles. This one retails at $21.99. This one retails at $32.99. So what is the difference? Let me explain. The mid-suspension on this is air. The mid-suspension on this is spring. That mechanism itself is a big difference. The tires on this are a 27.5 by 2.35. This is a 29 by 2.6, which is pretty cool because that's like that in between of not quite fat tire, but not quite as heavy as those. These have adjustable air suspension. These have hydraulic suspension. The seat is a $100 seat. That's more of a basic seat on that one. The wires are not integrated on this one. The wires are integrated on this one. Batteries are about the same, 14 versus 15. This is also UL 2849 certified, that all the 2024s are, so that adds the cost, but more about the quality of it. The screen is a big deal as well because this is a full colored, this one's a basic. I want to get you to come here and I want to show you, because this one's hard to explain. We'll get a shot here. Look at the construction of this point right here. You know, I'm not that awesome at words, but if you look at this construction or this quality of mid-drive connection here, and then you zoom in and you look at the Alps, which is $32.99, it's so much more heavy duty. That's clearly going to be a more expensive produced bike. Suto motor versus Bafang. Again, nothing wrong with this one at all. I'm just listing all the examples. The battery in this one is not name brand. The batteries in this are Samsung or LG. That also adds to it. I know I missed, torque sensor in this bike versus cadence. That's another reason. That's a big difference. Here comes the train. So that's just to name a few of why you have such a difference. I know that I'm missing some. If you can still hear me, I know that I'm missing some, but that's kind of where you get. That doesn't make this a bad bike. We've sold tons of them, but this is just that little extra quality, comes with touch-up paint, stuff like that. But I hope that helps a little bit. Handlebars are more expensive. You got the more name brand. Oh, the shocks, again, name brand. Those are not. So I hope that helps a little bit by just doing a side-by-side. Let me know if you have questions in the comments.